What is up, producer friends? I'm so glad to be finally back. I know it's been a fucking while, but I'm more than ready for this year and I've cooked up some incredible video concepts. Let's not waste any more time and let's start right now. I'm pretty sure everyone have seen this viral TikTok.
So what you do is you get your paper towel roll, you do a snort and a wheeze. This is what it sounds like with this. I promise you it will work. Try it.
Despite the fact that I was really impressed, it raised so many questions in me. Does it really work? How many times a day do you have to beat your meat to obtain an empty paper towel roll? But most importantly, can we turn that into a bass? For the sake of this video, and since I'm doing the No Nut September, I will use this PVC tube that I found in my garage. Enough intro for today, let's jump into Ableton. Alright, let's set up a new audio track with Ctrl-T and record some rows. The TikTok dude said you had to do the pig noise, so let's do that and see if it really works. Basically what I'm gonna do is just do but in this PVC tube. Let's try. Right, I think the last one is great material, so let's go with it. For my real nerds, you already guessed it, we're gonna turn that into a growl bass. But for that, we need to compress the shit out of it. So let's add some OTTs. We're just gonna go with 3. Next step you wanna do is do some filtering before the compression. So for that, I'm gonna use a bandpass 24 filter and automate the cutoff and the resonance. Still sounds like shit, but you have to trust the process. Let's make the sound more fat with some saturation, so I'm adding a saturator at the end of the chain, put it on analog clip and boost it at about 12 dB. So it's a bit louder and it acts as a soft clipper. I also want some crisp before the compression, so I'm adding one on medium curve and boost the drive. I'm gonna play a bit with bass and depths. I want to make the sound more tonal, so for that I'm adding an overdrive to boost a bit the mids. I'm also gonna add an erosion on sine mode. Great. I want my growl bass to be a bit liquid sounding, so for that I'm gonna add some dispersers. Let's compress everything before the saturation. You don't have to go too hard on this one.
That's what she said!
So here we are, and you might want to tell me, yo bro, your growl sucks, it sounds like a crappy fart. And you're right, but wait, cause we're gonna add one last effect. Make sure to put it on tube mode, put that matrix shit all the way to the left, and now in the LFO section, play with the amount, the rate, and put the phase all the way down. Make sure to put the shape on triangle mode and play with the tune. At this point, it might still sound like shit, so to fix that, you wanna go to the filter automation and decrease it a bit. Holy shit. Do the same with the resonance. And now just have fun playing with the amount, the rate and the tune. You can even go further and automate the tune. The amount and the rate. That's pretty much it. Now you know how to turn this into this. By the way, I've put together 10 Growl samples in a pack, so go grab it on the website, it's free. Well, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed me being a little more experimental and turning viral video stuff into something usable for your productions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.